So what we're doing here is we're taking a sucker minnow and we're rigging it in the hard part of the head, so that right in the solid part of the head. We're not going to rig it in the lip. We're going to go through the mouth and out through the hard part of the head. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of loft your cast out there. You're not going to whip cast as much. So it's just going to be kind of a soft cast out so that sucker stays on. And what we're doing, because the bite has really slowed down, is we're going to do slow drags with the sucker minnow. You'll just barely feel them grab onto it, and we're missing a lot of fish that are that slow that we're actually losing a lot of fish because they're tail grabbing and just they're not actually eating the bait very well. So we're just going to do slow drags, and then sometimes you just let it sit there for a second and then start the process over again. It's a slow, methodical process, but it's working. And even some of your big fish aren't really thumping it, they're just latching on more than anything.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.